wofea, Wi-Fi gas alarm, work with Wi-Fi 2, or G. Tuya app with free message and notice and voice remond. In the waiting for the gas alarm running time, you can link the device with Wi-Fi network. Open Tuya's smart app, add device.
Wi-Fi connected.
We are make testing. When the gas thickness over 8% LEO, the device will active.
Danger, the gas has leaked. Please close the valve immediately and open the window. Do not turn the light on. Go outside at once and call the police. Close the valve immediately and open the window. Do not turn the light on. Go outside at once and call the
When the gas
police.
concentration drops below 8%, the gas alarm stops sounding. You can connect the gas alarm with valve manipulator 2. When gas alarm active, the gas valve auto closes.